Open houses create real opportunities to meet buyers and generate leads. Let's break down the simple steps to make every open house count. Step 1. Choose the right open house. Pick homes in active areas with strong buyer traffic. Step 2. Promote before the event. Post on social media, invite neighbors, send texts, and create a short video. Step 3. Arrive early. Set up signs, flyers, refreshments, QR code sign-in, and property information. Step 4. Greet every guest. Here is a script that you may use. Welcome in. I'm with Lifestyle International Realty. Feel free to take a look around. Are you currently looking to buy, or are you just getting familiar with the area? Step 5. Ask qualifying questions. Are you working with an agent? Are you pre-approved? What area are you hoping to move to? When would you like to purchase? Step 6. Follow up same day. Here is a text script that you may use. Hi, this is with Lifestyle International Realty. It was great meeting you today at the open house. I'd love to help you with your home search. Are you available this week for a quick buyer consultation? Now it's your turn to apply what you've learned. Host or assist with one open house this month.